Good morning, buenos dias. I'm here in Honduras and this is my last construction update video because we are done with construction. Yes, for now. You know, we're never really done because thank God we hope and we have faith that we will just continue to grow. But I want to take a minute to show you from the outside how it looks. Look how amazing that is. So right there it says Centro Cristiano de Educación Llamado Eterno, which in English is Llamado Eterno Christian School, right? Or Eternal Calling Christian School. And we have the logo for Empowering Education International and the logo for the school right next to that. And doesn't it look amazing? We have our bus parked in there. And our other bus will be in there as well. You can see there are 3 garages because the third garage, we have 2 buses, but the third garage will be for a workshop to teach teenagers skills like metalwork, electricity, woodworking, things like that. If you're hearing the kids, it's because I want to show you something. Hopefully you can still hear me, but I want to just show you our kiddos. Right now they're in their devotional time. Every single day we start our day with a devotional time, and so I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what that looks like before I show you the rooms upstairs and how they turned out.
De adoración al Señor. Levante su mano en lo más alto, que usted sienta que pueda tocar al Señor. Dígaselo fuerte que necesita de Él. Necesito de ti, Padre. Dígale que sea pequeño en el suyo de Él.
So starting the day like that is really important to us. The other thing that's happening today is you can see there's a line of people. It is currently 8:10, something like that. And at 9 o'clock, we are going to be filling out scholarship requests for people who would like their children to receive a scholarship to come here in 2021. So not next year. Next year, all of our spots for next year are already filled up, but for 2021, we have just started scholarship requests. This is a really long process because first we have to go through all of the requests and find the children who are the most needy of all of the kids that filled out requests with their families. And so from that, we select the kids who need the scholarship the most, and then we have a team of people who go out and visit those kids. And from those visits, we select the kids who need it the most. And those are the kids who are absolutely desperate to get this scholarship in order to go to school. Those are the kids then that we bring to you, that we publicize, and we ask people to sponsor so they can get a sponsorship to come here to pre-K in 2021. So it might sound early, it might seem crazy that people are already lining up. They were here at 7 a.m. lining up because they heard that the request form process is now open, and so we'll be doing it for the next few days, and we're expecting to get a couple hundred requests in the next few days. So it's hard because we can only let in a small number of kids according to how many sponsors we get, but it's also just really cool to see that there are a lot of people that recognize that what we're doing is changing lives and they want their families to be a part of that. So Okay, the grand reveal, you can see behind me, I'm in the old section of the church, and I'm gonna walk you to the new construction. So you can see already that this area is just filled with light. It's painted. We have these beautiful skylights that they put in to cut down on electricity costs and also just really brighten the space. And so we have our first classroom here. We have 5 classrooms just like this. And these classrooms will be immediately used now that we have our desks put in. The only thing we're waiting for are our whiteboards. Once our whiteboards are in, which should be in the next couple days, we will have tutoring here, we'll have Sunday school here, because those classrooms are packed full right now, and we are in desperate need of some relief of splitting up our classrooms. And then next year, we'll have up through 4th grade in this space. We'll have our older kids in this space. Here is a space that is will serve right now for storage, maybe an office. This is our bathroom. The girls have already claimed this bathroom because it's nicer than the old one. So the boys will probably stay in the old bathroom and the girls will be in here. And this is our last classroom here. Just absolutely beautiful. I am so amazed. I am so amazed that I am standing in a space that we have prayed for years. And in my humanness, I didn't know if it was possible that we could raise so much money to get this space, to be able to build this space and build it the way we should. Thank you so much for being a part of it. We are so grateful to God, and we are so grateful to you for contributing and for making this possible. Before I go, if you're still watching, I want to just share something that was really, really sweet. A story that I heard one of the teachers share, because we have the practice here that before we eat, the kids pray. And so that is something that they do every single day before they eat their snack and before they eat their lunch. And those snacks and lunches are provided by the scholarship, by the sponsorship that most of you probably are contributing towards. And so those kids, they come up to the front, they volunteer, they come up to the front, and they pray for their class's mealtime, the kids themselves. And the teacher, the 1st grade teacher, was sharing with me that she does this every single day, and every single day without fail, whoever volunteered to pray first prays this grateful prayer to God, thanking God for the food, thanking God for the opportunity to be in this school, thanking God for their education, for their families, for their teachers. And then every single day, no matter who is praying, they pray for their sponsors. They thank God for the heart of their sponsors. They thank them for the blessing, the financial blessing that God has given them, and they ask that God continue to bless them so that they can continue to help the school and the students that are a part of the school. They pray for the sponsors' families, they pray for your jobs, they pray for your safety, for your health. And I was listening to these children pray and listening to the teacher talk about how they pray for their sponsors, and I was just filled with awe that kids as young as 6 years old have so much gratitude in their hearts for people who are helping them, who believe in them, who are giving them a future, who have given them a beautiful new space to learn in, to grow in, to become professionals in eventually, who give them food each day, who give them pencils and paper and books. And we here at Llamado Eterno are so grateful for your help. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.